Welcome to the most effective and high-quality evergreen My Google Classroom video training. We're so excited to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This is a complete high-quality video training which will surely help you learn exactly what you need to know to generate high income with Google Classroom, and why it's the easiest way ever for you to make some great money over the web by using effective Google Classroom. Let's start now, step by step. My Google Classroom. Google Classroom program now has 40 million users, 30 million Chromebook students. Discover a detailed step-by-step guide on how to set up your own classroom for success. Read on. Video number 1, My Google Classroom HD Video Training. Video number 2, What is Google Classroom? Video number 3, Why to integrate Google Classroom. Video number 4, How can you benefit as a Google for Education partner? Video number 5, Latest updates to Google Classroom. Video number 6, Getting started with Google Classroom step-by-step tutorial. Video number 7, How to create assignments in Google Classroom. Video number 8, How to train your employees using Classroom. Video number 9, How to use Gradebook to enhance Google Classroom. Video number 10, Google Classroom tips for teachers. Video number 11, How to measure and analyze classroom reports and usage. Video number 12, Best apps to use with Google Classroom. Video number 13, Things you might not know about Google Classroom. Video number 14, Great ways to start using Google Classroom now. Video number 15, How to partner with Google for Education. With over 40 million students and educators worldwide, it might be your turn to learn this platform. We've covered everything you need to take your first step in the world of smart education with GC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.